Hey everyone! If you're anything like me, laundry is that one chore that just never ends. It piles up, stares you down, and always seems to take way longer than it should. But today, I'm sharing my absolute simplest laundry routine. Because busy parents don't have time for complicated. Ready to make laundry quick, easy, and dare I say, even a little enjoyable? Let's get started. Step 1. Sort your laundry. I know, it sounds old school, but hear me out. Keeping whites, colors, and darks separate seriously saves time in the long run, and protects your clothes from those mystery stains. If you're in a hurry, just separate lights and darks. Trust me, your favorite white tee will thank you later. Step 2. Pick the right detergent. Liquid, pods, powder, whichever works best for you and your water type. Personally, I love using pods because they dissolve quickly, make zero mess, and leave my clothes smelling amazing. Bonus tip, check if your water is hard or soft. That makes a difference too. Step 3. Don't overload the washing machine. Seriously, it's tempting to cram everything in and hope for the best, but letting your clothes swish around freely means they actually get clean. Less is more when it comes to loads. Step 4. Select the right wash cycle. For most everyday clothes, a normal or quick cycle is totally fine. No need for the marathon setting unless you've got a mud wrestling champ in the family. This saves time, energy, and your sanity. Step 5. While your laundry's spinning, take a breather. Or, if you're feeling ambitious, start sorting your next load. Multitasking is basically magic when you're a parent. Once the cycle is done, don't leave your clothes hanging out in the machine, literally. Move them to the dryer or hang them up right away to avoid that weird, musty smell. Fresh laundry, fast, just how I like it. And there you have it, the easiest way to tackle laundry with minimal effort and maximum results. Simple, fast, and totally doable, even on your busiest days. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real-life cleaning tips, and drop your favorite laundry hack in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next one. #laundry made easy.